Good morning everyone. Welcome to maths classes. Today we are going to discuss problems related to exercise 1.2 of class 8th. In that, the first question is of today's session, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Which are smaller than 5 by 6. See, first of all, we have to consider the given fraction, that is given rational number 5 by 6. They asked us to find out the rational numbers which are less than this 5 by 6. So, simple technique is, already here the numerator is 5, denominator is 6. So, that which are less than means we have to take the like fractions. It is easy to compare the fractions which those are like. So that I am comparing now like fractions. So now I am considering simple technique is I am writing like fractions of 5 by 6. That means what are those like fractions? 1 by 6, 2 by 6, is it 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Like fractions in the sense having same denominator. Okay. Here how many we got less than 5 by 6? Here denominators are same, numerators are different. So if you compare the numerators, 1, 2, 3, 4 less than the numerator 5. We got 4 here. They asked total 5 they asked. So shall I write here 0 by 6? Yes, we can write. So these are the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers which are less than 5 by 6, which are smaller than 5 by 6. We can write in any way, no problem. But final answer is, we will get different answers for different persons. But final result is same. Answer is same. Okay. We have to express the answer in the form of P by Q. Since the rational numbers can be expressed as in the form of P by Q, so that we have to express rational numbers in the form of P by Q. So our final answer is 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. The answer may be different to one person to person, no problem. Okay. Now let us see next problem. Now let us see, find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Now let us observe the next question, that is find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Here we have to approach any one method, that may be mean method or making the denominators of the given rational numbers equal. Okay. So mean method making the denominators equal is somewhat easy method. Okay. So what is mean method? First we solve using mean method. So mean method means if A and B are two rational numbers, if A and B are two rational numbers or whatever may be, then a rational number between A and B is, then a rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. Average, its average, A plus B by 2. Similarly, here we have to find the rational number between minus 1 and 2, so that first rational numbers we have to find minus 1 is less than. That means if I write this formula, okay, A is less than, A plus B by 2 is less than B. Okay. Similarly, now the numbers are minus 1 and 2 now. So minus 1 is less than, minus 1 plus 2 by 2 less than 2. Am I correct or not? So you have to take first order wise, like minus 1 is less than 2. Now if we simplify, minus 1 is less than, minus 1 plus 2, 1 by 2 less than 2. Okay, clear? Now again to get the another rational number, we got only one rational number. To find out another rational number, we have to consider these two and these two. Okay. See, now it can be written as minus 1 is less than, the average of these two lies between minus 1 and 1 by 2. Okay. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2 whole by 2 less than 1 by 2. Okay, the average of these two lies between minus 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, now average of these two lies between 1 by 2 and 2. So 1 by 2 plus 2 less than 2. So okay, clear. Now see, if I simplify, I can write it as minus 1 less than minus 1 plus half. So generally these two have different sign. So if you subtract half from full, we will get half. So that minus 1 by 2 whole by 2 less than 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2 plus 2, 2 and half. 2 and half in the sense 5 by 2 less than 2. Is it clear? Now if I simplify, minus less than minus 1 by 2, 2 means minus 1 by 2 into nothing but 2 by 1. If I write like this, 1 by 2 less than 1 by 2 less than 5 by 2 less than 2. Is it clear? Now if I simplify again, it becomes minus 1 is less than minus 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2 less than, okay, 1 by 2 less than 5 by 2 less than 2. See how many rational numbers we have got here? 1, 2, 3 we got. Like this we have to get 12. Okay, now come to this side. Again, find out the average of these two. It lies between minus 1 and minus 1 by 4. Similarly, average of these two lies between minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. And again, average of these two lies between 1 by 2 and 5 by 2. Like this. Okay, clear? So 5 and half. I am sorry, here I have done mistake, that is I did not find by 2. So average, so 5 by 2 I have to write. I am extremely sorry. So it becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Yes, if you observe, it should lies between these two. But previous I have written 5 by 2. It is wrong. Okay. Now I have correct it. Now we have got here 3 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Okay. To find out another rational number, I am going to solve like this. See, the average of these two lies between minus 1 and minus 1 by 4. Is it so? Similarly, so minus 1 is less than, okay, minus 1 plus minus 1 by 4 by 2. Okay, clear? Again, less than, it lies between minus 1 by 4, no? So minus 1 by 4. Now a rational number between minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 4 less than, okay, between these two is average of these two. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 average, so by 2 less than 1 by 2. We have to write, because this minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 whole by 2 is lies between minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. No? So 1 by 2 we have to write. Now to find out the other rational number, okay, I am going to take average of these two. So that what are those two? 1 by 2 and 5 by 4. So that 1 by 2 is less than 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4 whole by 2 less than 5 by 4. Okay, less than 5 by 4. Again, less than, average of these two lies between 5 by 4 and 2. No? So that 5 by 4 plus 2 whole by 2 less than 2. Okay, finally, how many rational numbers we are getting here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are getting here 7. See, if I simplify, we get here minus 1 less than minus 1 minus 1 by 4. Total how much? Yes, like fraction. So if you do LCM of those fractions, you will get minus 5 by 4. Is it? Whole by 2 can be written as 1 into 1 by 2 less than minus 1 by 4 less than. Here LCM of 4 comma 2 is 4. So we get here 4 LCM. So minus 1 plus, here 2 divides 4 2 times. So 1 into 2 2 whole by 2. This whole by 2 can be written as into 1 by 2. Okay, we will do in the next step. Okay, again same here also, 1 by 2 plus 5 by 4. LCM is 4. Okay, clear? 4. 2 divides 4 2 times. So 1 into 2 2 plus, okay, clear. 4 divides 4 one time, so 5 into 1 5 whole by 2. These 2 less than 5 by 4, again less than. The LCM of 5 by 4 plus 2 is 4 2 are 8 plus 5, 13 by 4, is it whole by 2 less than 2. Now if I simplify, I get minus 1 is less than minus 5 by 8 less than minus 1 by 4 less than 1 by 8 less than 1 by 2 less than 5 plus 2 7 by 8 less than, okay, 5 by 4 less than 13 by 8 less than 2. Am I correct? So like this, if you find, we will get a few more rational numbers. Now see the next step. What I have done, see, simple. Minus 1 is less than average of these two less than minus 5 by 8 less than, again average of these two minus 1 by 4 plus minus 5 by 8 by 2 less than minus 1 by 4. So while writing the average of these two, so we should it lies between minus 4 and 1 by 8. So that, see here also minus 1 by 4 less than average of these two by average of these two less than 1 by 8. See, like this you have to continue the process. So again average of these two lies between 1 by 8 and 1 by 2. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 by 2. Again 1 by 2 less than, see, 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 7 by 8 whole by 2 less than 7 by 8. Okay, again less than the average of these two, again 7 by 8 plus 5 by 4 by 2 less than 5 by 4 less than, again, so average of these two. So if till we end here also no problem, because we get here by here itself 12. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, up to 7 by 8 we got 10. 5 after 7 by 8 5 by 4 11 12. They ask us 12 itself now, so we can end till here and we can add these two and last continuation. But so for better understanding, I have continued like this. Okay, again I have done like this. Now if I simplify, we will get answer. See how, see the average of minus 1 comma minus 5 by 2, how much we got. So here minus 1 less than, so LCM is 8, so 8 1s are 8, minus 8 plus minus 5 minus 13 by minus 13 by, here if we come to the 8 to the denominator, it becomes by 8 whole by 2, means into 1 by 2. Okay, less than minus 5 by 8, we have to write as it is here. And the next minus 1 by 4 plus minus 5 by 8, LCM is 8 itself, so less than LCM 8. Here 4 divides 8 2 times, so minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 8 divides 8 1 time, so minus 5 whole by 2 less than minus 1 by 4 as it is less than. Now minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8, so 8 is the LCM, is it? 8 is the LCM. 4 divides 8 2 times, so minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 8 divides 8 1 time, so 1 into 1 1 whole by 2 less than 1 by 8 less than. Now the average of 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2, see 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 gives us, so LCM 8 here again, 8 divides 8 1 time, so 1 plus 2 divides 8 4 times, so 1 into 4 4 whole by 2 less than 1 by 2. Now its continuation. Okay, 1 by 2 less than, next step is after 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 7 by 8 is given. So 1 by 2 plus 7 by 8 means again LCM 8. So 2 divides 8 4 times, here 2 divides this LCM 4 times, so 1 into 4 4 plus 8 divides 8 1 time, so 7 whole by 2 whole by 2. Okay, next less than 7 by 8. So I am not simplifying these all. I reached my destination, like I got 12 rational numbers, so I am writing up to 7 by 8. What are the rational numbers here? I am writing here. Those are 5 by 4, 13 by 8, and less than 2. Okay, is it clear? Now I am simplifying this. See, minus 1 less than minus 13 by 8 to 16 less than minus 5 by 8 less than minus 2 plus minus 5. Both are having same sign, so add and keep same sign. By 8 means 8 to 16 we get here, less than minus 1 by 4 less than minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 8 to 16 again, is it, less than 1 by 8 less than, here is how much is here, 1 plus 7, is it 1 plus 4. See, previous step is 1 by 8, so 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, so it is 4, 1 plus 4 gives us 5 by 8 into 2 less than 1 by 2 less than, here 4 plus 7 means 11 by 8, 11 by 8 into 2 less than 7 by 8 less than 5 by 4 less than 13 by 8 less than 2. Okay, now this is the final answer. Moving to the final answer, that is implies minus 1 is less than minus 13 by 16 less than minus 5 by 8 less than minus 7 by 16, okay, less than minus 1 by 4 less than minus 1 by 16 less than 1 by 8 less than 5 by 16 less than 1 by 2 less than, so 11 by 16 less than 7 by 8 less than 5 by 4 less than 13 by 8 less than 2. So total how many we got? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Between minus 1 and 2, we have written 12 rational numbers. Is it clear? So this is the way how to solve this problem. It is by using main method. We have another method also. If they ask particularly by main method, we have to follow this method, or else in the next video I am going to explain about this. Okay.